Hello guys, this is Mohammed Sadiq. In this video, we will have another interview question in Java. What is a constructor? We will have some of the questions for regarding constructor, like what is a constructor and what is purpose of constructor and what does constructor return a value, and is constructor inherited, and can we have a final constructor. So all of these questions we will evaluate one by one and have an example for those questions. So first of all, what is constructor? Constructor is like any function, but does not have any return type, and we always define with the class name and within a class or inside a class. Here we have the same class name and we have parenthesis against it. Okay, parenthesis and curly braces. We can see that here is a main method. Main method have access modifiers and any return type. Okay, here in the constructor we always does not have any return type. Okay, it is a constructor, and a constructor can have any list of arguments here or parameters here, like int a or int b. We can have here also. Okay, leave it now. Okay, it is a constructor. Okay, constructor's purpose is to initialize or declare any object within your class or in a method. Okay, here we always we will create an object for this class. Okay, with new operator. Here is this is a constructor. Constructor is used for initializing an object. Okay, and this is a constructor initializing for an object. This is the same constructor is used here for initializing an object. Okay, and we have got the purpose of constructor. The constructor purpose is to initialize an object. And what does the constructor return a value? Here is something in object. Whenever this constructor this line of statement is executed, it returns something. It returns instance. To the object. The object have an instance of what is constructor class. Okay, then always the constructor returns an instance of that class or its current class. The current class instance is assigned to the object. So it means that a constructor return a value of an instance of current class. Okay, and is constructor inherited? So constructor does not inherit it, because the constructor in every class have their own constructor. If you are passing some of values or calling it's a super class constructor, then you use always super keyword for the super class constructor. Okay, for calling super class constructor, but it does not inherit to the child class. Okay, if we have got that the constructor does not inherit it means the final keyword is not used with the constructor, because final keywords always restricts on the method or on the class to inherit to the child's class. Okay, we have an example. If we are making another class like a class. Okay, a class, it extends it extends this class. It extends this class. What is the constructor class? Okay, it extends what is the constructor class. So here we can, if we want to execute or call what is the constructor, then we always here put this super in a constructor, here we define its own constructor. A is the constructor of a class. Okay, this is a constructor of a class. So whenever this executed, it will execute here. If we put here super class, super keyword, it will execute this one too. Okay, because super says that in the parent class, the constructor of the parents class have to call. Okay, we have got that in the super keyword does their thing. Okay, now if we have to inherit what is the constructor in constructor here, it does not let me allow to put this thing, because it does not know about this. It says that the such kind of method does not existing in within a class, or you must put the put a return type over here. Okay, it means does not inherit. Okay, if we always, we know that the final keyword restricts us to inherit the things in the Java and the OOP. Okay, so it means that the final keyword, we cannot put final keyword before any constructor. So this is the scenario, and this is our understanding about constructor. These are questions always asked in interview. So guys, please like my channel, like my video, and subscribe for my YouTube channel. Bye bye, we will meet in next video tutorial. Bye bye, see you.